Let's make the Graveyard Smash from Kraken Rum. To make this drink, we are going to start by rimming the glass, which is going to be your highball. I'll put it aside for now, with black sugar. And there are two types of black sugar. There are sugars that have been dyed black. There are also sugars that are a type of brown sugar that the molasses has been left in versus regular brown sugar where the molasses is added back in. I don't think they mean black sugar in that sense. I think they mean colored sugar. So that's what we're going to use. And I'm going to rim the glass with that. I'm not the best at rimming. Oh, it's coming out already. Weird. That's... It looks like black sugar. And I'm going to take a little bit of my lime juice. I'm going to put this in this other one. No, it's not lime juice, lemon juice, lemon juice. I'm going to dip the top of my glass in that. And I'm going to run that through the black sugar. Not bad. Maybe not the best way to do it. Something fancy down the side might be nice. I'm going to set this aside for now. I'm going to set these aside for now. Way over there. Okay. Now, back to the glass. The instructions say to put the ingredients in the glass mentions nothing about ice. I'm going to assume there is ice, and the picture shows small bits of ice, so I'm going to assume crushed ice. So, I've got my hammer, mallet, I've got some ice, I'm going to crush it, I'll be right back with you. Ice crushed, and I'm going to fill the glass at least part way, and this is where the number of parts is important. Because how many parts, how much ice fits in this kind of glass? I don't know. Whew. I think that'll be enough for now. I may top it off later. Now, ingredients. It says add the ingredients and stir to mix, but the picture shows a nice gradiated layered thing. So I'm going to try to do a layered thing. First time on camera, so we'll see if we do that. Where's my jigger? Here's my jigger, and I'm going to put the cinnamon spiced blackberry syrup down first, and I need half an ounce of that. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. And they're already mixing, so I'm not going to get the gradiated effect. Ah well, I have to mix it anyway if I'm going to follow this recipe. Finally, 1.5 ounces of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. Perfect pour. I'll drink that later. I'm going to top this off with some crushed ice since I seem to need it. And yes, I'm going to use my hand because I'm going to drink this later. And that's topped off enough, I think. I'm going to need a straw. And there is a final garnish. The website lists a garnish of a lemon. This is a lemon. This is my glass. This lemon is not going in that glass. So and their picture does not show a lemon. It shows a twisted lemon, so I'm going to assume that's what we're doing here. Express and dip. And there you have it. The Graveyard Smash from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. I didn't stir, so I got a lot of syrup. It's still going to be good.